Are you looking to unlock the power of roses in your garden? Look no further. Here are some straightforward tips to help you get the most out of your roses. First, make sure to plant your roses in a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Roses love sunlight and need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight a day to thrive. Next, water your roses deeply, but infrequently. This will encourage deep root growth and help your plants withstand periods of drought. When it comes to pruning, don't be afraid to cut back your roses. Pruning helps promote new growth and keeps your plants healthy and blooming. For fertilizer, opt for a slow-release, balanced fertilizer to provide your roses with the nutrients they need. Be sure to follow the instructions on the package for best results. Lastly, keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Regularly inspect your roses for any signs of trouble and address them promptly to keep your plants happy and healthy. By following these simple tips, you'll be able to enjoy beautiful, vibrant roses in your garden all season long. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.